Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. This door shelf is usually located on the top of the right side refrigerator door. It has a cover that could be raised up, and it's mostly used for the dairy product. The main reason for the refrigerator door shelf to be replaced is if the cover breaks off or the shelf no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the right side door. To remove this door shelf, all we need to do is push it up, and then we can take it out. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new one, we need to place it inside and push it down so these tabs on both sides will lock over these tabs. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.